Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to Wix. So in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your PC. After opening a browser, in one browser, you'll have to navigate to your Wix website, and in another browser, you'll have to open and log into calendly.com. So after logging into your Wix, you will see this page. Now on this page, you're going to simply click on the design side button at the top right, and you'll be taken to your Wix website editor. Now, as you can see, this is my website. If I would want to add Calendly, what I will do is, first of all, simply navigate to calendly.com and make sure I click on the view booking page button under any booking page that I want to add to my Wix website. So I will click on view booking page button. This will open up your Calendly's calendar. Now, you're simply going to click on the copy link button, navigate back to Wix website editor page that we previously opened. Now, simply click on this plus icon that is add elements button. Now, in this, you will see different options available. From these options, search for the one that says embed code. After you click on embed code, you will see popular embeds. Under popular embeds, you will see embed a site button. So click on this plus button after embed a site and you will see this small pop-up appearing at your screen. Here, you're going to simply paste the URL that we previously copied. So right click in this section that says HTTPS only and click on paste. Now as you can see, this is Calendly's link. Now I will click on apply and this will instantly add my Calendly to Wix. As you can see, now I can easily edit this Calendly's small pop-up and anyone can access my Calendly on my website by clicking on this pop-up. So here you can easily paste this anywhere you want on your site. You can increase the size of this and anyone can now choose a slot and easily access Calendly by clicking on this section on my website. Now you can easily click on the publish button or preview to see how it would look like. So that is how you can easily add Calendly to Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.